Pasitikrinkite, ar ir jūs nedarote šitų paplitusių klaidų. Verskime ir taisykime. Aš gimiau Vilniuje. I born in Vilnius. I was born in Vilnius. Aš tavęs laukiu. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. Aš vegetaras. I am vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. Tau gerai sekasi anglų kalba. You are good in English. You are good at English. Man labai patinka ši daina. I very like this song. I like this song very much. Ką tai reiškia? What is it mean? What does it mean? Kiek vaikų jūs turite? How many children you have? How many children do you have? Aš galiu padaryti. I can't do. I can do. Aš privalau eiti. I must go. I must go. Ačiū, prašom. Thank you, please. Thank you, you are welcome. Ačiū Dievui. Thanks God. Thank God. Follow me and learn English correctly.